Next is interviewing. Now, candidates who pass the screening stage are typically invited for interviews. Now, this interviews are not only for invitation, like these are not only face-to-face interviews. These could be like virtual interviews, telephonic. First is telephonic interviews at screening stage only. Then is we can conduct virtual interviews. Then yes, we can call them for face-to-face interviews. So there are a type of interviews where you can assess the candidate. It's not only about face-to-face interview. Okay, so interviews obviously provide an opportunity for recruiters and hiring managers to assess the candidates fit for the role as well as their interpersonal skills like problem solving abilities, cultural alignment with the organization. So interview is not only to check the basic things, it is a combination of a lot of things. We need to evaluate a lot of things on this level. Okay, next is selection. Following interviews, recruiters and hiring managers often collaborate to select the most qualified candidate for the position. This is the main task actually. So obviously this decision may include further assessments or discussions to ensure chosen candidate is the best fit for the role and the organization. And it could be, yes, it could be that at this stage we are inviting the person for this next interview or for the interaction purpose so that we can finalize the candidate. So this selection process is a crucial process. This is not like we have interview candidates and we have shortlisted there. Now we can't call them. Now we can't communicate with them. No, it's not like that. Once if we have to choose a right talent for the organization, we have to take further steps to evaluate them. Okay, so yes, this is the selection. We have selected the candidate. Next process is onboarding. Okay, now the candidate is on board, like the candidate has arrived. Once candidate has been selected, this is the final stage of the recruitment process. Yes, onboarding them into the organization. So obviously these activities are like completing paperwork, setting up new hire orientation sessions, and integrating the new employee into their role and the company culture. Okay, so I have a separate session on onboarding. You can check that from the HR playlist. Okay, there is one general playlist, that is HR, where I have uploaded several sessions related to human resource that you can find from the pin comment. So you can check this onboarding orientation process from there. Okay.